Well, geez, I don't know if you can hear that, but we got a terrible storm, and it's not even classified as a thunderstorm. But look at this shit. I don't know if I can see this shit, but hopefully it's gonna get wet. It's really flooding the streets. It's only been going for like 10 minutes, and I'm surprised the power's run out. This shit's like, the wind's going like 35 to 60 miles an hour. And I hear hail and I feel it. It just hit me. And I don't hear no sirens yet, but I don't even think this is a thunderstorm yet. But it's like moving from this way. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. I mean, I can hear it from my window. I would not want to be driving in this stuff right now. Zoom in. Oh, somebody's coming. Oh, somebody's leaving from work. Someone's coming from work and someone's leaving to go get shot by a bolt of lightning. This is pretty crazy. Yeah, I think it got wet. The water is like, it looks like it's 2 inches thick, just kind of moving around the street, or the parking lot here. And the temperature dropped about 10 degrees, and I wish I could get this better. Damn it. Oh, that's fucking cold. I feel it like on my back. Just freezing. It's coming from this way. If I get out much further, I'm going to get this whole thing soaked. You can see the awesome deal here. Oh, the rain kind of died down, but I was hearing it like crazy on the window. It was a lot louder when I left. I know it was hailing for a moment too. We got a problem here. It's intense out there. Oh man, all of a sudden the storm came in. I got like 10 minutes and then actually it literally came in a second and I heard hail. Not cool. At least the power's still on.